Hi everybody, Teddy with Materio here. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a replacement plan page if something in your floor plans or elevations has changed or had any adjustments during the course of your project. You can use this technique to upload the latest version to Materio and make sure that everything is up to date in Materio. So the first step here is going to be to know which of your pages has changed. So in my case, it's this interior elevations page here that has some changes that I need to upload into Materio. I'm going to bring my mouse onto that thumbnail image at the bottom here. I'm going to right click and I'll come to upload replacement. I'll click here. Materio is prompting me to upload the file that has the replacement page in it. So I'm going to open my Finder and simply drag that replacement file into Materio. That's going to upload it to Materio. Now next, Materio is going to ask me a question. It's going to say, you uploaded a PDF that has several pages in it. Which of those pages is the replacement to the page, to your original page here? So my original is on the left, and on the right is the new file that I've uploaded. I need to leaf through that new file and find which page exactly should actually replace what's on the left here. So I'm going to click on the first new page here, and then I can just use my left and right keyboard arrows to go left and right in this plan until I find the page that matches the one that I want to replace. So just using my left and right keyboard arrows, I've landed on this one. This page here that I've newly uploaded is the replacement to what's on the left. So I can come here and click match, and then I can click save, and then that page has been replaced in Materio now. And if I wanted to verify that that happened, I can again bring my mouse here, right click, open view version history this time. And here I'm brought to a screen that's going to show me every single time that I've replaced that particular page in Materio. So this version 2 is this latest replacement that I just uploaded. Version 1 is the original that was there before I just did this replacement. Now, if I had made a mistake here, I could always come and click this restore button on version 1 if I wanted to actually go back to that previous version. But in this case, that was all correct, so I'm just going to leave it and hit done. And that is how you upload a replacement plan page in Materio. If you have any questions at all about this process, always reach out to hello@materio.co or chat us directly in the app. We're always happy to hear from you, and we're always happy to help. Have a great day.